So one thing I noticed is when I put cut numbers in the serial number spot, I don't think it it translates the T to a zero, for example. Actually, I don't think it does anything. So I'm gonna have to look at the. I think I screwed up a couple of those serial numbers. So that's kind of interesting. So all I'm doing is hitting enter right now. Nothing. I'm just hitting enter, and it calls CQ, and you can see that this is what's happening when I hit enter. So this is the function called enter sends message ESM in the N1MM in N1MM. So I think that was it. So yeah, every time you, so I would just put in the person's call sign, hit enter, and it would know what to send. Let's see if we can do the next one a little bit smoother. What was it? So I just hit enter, and it does this right here. I just hit enter again, and it just sends that. And I just hit enter again, and there you go. Okay, so I have to actually put in the 0, not a T. That was a tough one. Oh, shit. There's another cut number. What was it? 870. There we go. I think that was an X. Seven. He's working somebody else. There's somebody else there. All right, so that's a good one. We got it. Was it LZ9A? So anyways, I think we're done for the evening. I'm about ready to go to bed anyways. I'm going to start this up tomorrow morning and have a little bit more fun. It looks like I did 27 minutes, 59 cents a minute. So whatever that comes to, like $15. So that was kind of a fun little run I have to, oh, there's the log right there. So there's the contacts I made. Like I said, I think there's something weird. Like when I was typing in the cut call sign, like I usually type in 1T, 5 for like 105, for example. I think like this is a good example of one that was not correct. So, oh well, no big deal. I'm not exactly running this contest for any kind of points here. I just wanted to kind of really run the RHR console through its paces, and that was a heck of a lot of fun, and it was really easy to do. I didn't need any software. This is just done. Essentially, this could be done through the web console. So, anyways, Hope everyone had a good time checking out what this looks like with remote ham radio. I'm going to do a couple more videos on this because it's really interesting, and it's kind of cool to like get access to some really cool super stations and see what it's kind of like to run stations and do a contest with this. So anyways, hope you had a good time. CW on, my friends.